Now we look at the crypto market. Well, Ladi, that market has been annoyingly quiet these days.
Right? Well, that's how it is in this market. You know, it's boring when it's in a bear market, but we get all the attention when it's a bull market. So this is the time to, plan your positions. Well, it's a red Monday. All the big alts in the red. Bitcoin is in the red. Ethereum, even a couple of stable coins are also in the red this morning. And also we have that the market cap, the total market cap, falling below the 1.3 trillion dollar mark. Now at 1.27 trillion this morning, down 2.70%. 24-hour volume traded in the total crypto market at 8 a.m. $48.36 billion. We see it's down 13%. Volume zapping all through the counters. Bitcoin dominance, 47%. We see it inching up there. Price of Bitcoin at this morning was $31,791 at 8 a.m. It's down by 0.47%. See the volume there. Usually we have about, by this time, we should have this 60 to 30 billion traded, but now we're having 17.74 billion. So you see the volume is actually reducing drastically there. We see it at the 1 hour chart. You see Bitcoin is resting on the middle Bollinger Band. Volume is down there, and the MACD is still in bearish territory. It's almost getting to oversold region at 40 points on the RSI. So price of Ethereum now, the king of the alts, is $1,905, down 3% this morning. 24-hour volume traded, $12.87 billion in Ethereum. Top alt by market cap. You see Binance Coin there, $301, down 0.91%. Cardano is at $1.19, down 1.13%. The debates there is if they're going to release their smart contracts for Cardano. And have Dogecoin at 18 cents, down 4%. Elon actually had some, brought some attention to Doge over the weekend, putting the Dogecoin as his display picture on his social media page. That pumped up the price a bit, but we see now, one Bitcoin goes down, you see all the altcoins go down, and Doge is the biggest loser this morning, down 4.33%. XRP now below the 60 cents range. It's at 58 cents, 0.42% down. Let's bring in Olumide Additional now to bring us up to speed. Hello, Olumide.
Hello, Ladi. Good morning.
Good morning. Great to have you, Olumide. This market is definitely in bearish territory, but the question is, how do you stay profitable in a bearish market?
Yeah, usually when you have choppy price patterns, the best thing is not to get too exposed. At the same time, you should always look at your technical patterns. I'm talking about price action, knowing when to buy low and knowing when to reduce. That if you are going in and out swing trading. But overall, it's most advisable to reduce your exposure. This market is showing good volatility in terms of the fact that if you look at what is really happening in the market right now, the DXY, that's the US dollar strength, is gaining momentum, and you could see crude oil prices even losing as much as $2 a barrel. So it's not just the crypto market. There are concerns that the market has to tighten because inflation rate is already over off the roof. And you look at the United Kingdom, you look at the United States. So now bankers are looking at ways of tightening liquidity. And also, COVID-19 is causing havoc in markets. We see the new mutant strains disrupting financial markets. And that's why investors right now are putting a lot of money in the safe haven currency. I'm talking of the US dollar. So market pundits expect that Bitcoin might not be able to hold on to the $30,000 price support level, and if that happens, we could see more downsides. But still, most of these assets, I tell people that it's when you see blood on the streets, that's when wise investors come in, time to pick in values crypto assets. So I think most of these crypto assets would suffer a lot of drawdowns. And also look at what happens to BNB. The fact that they bought about 400 million worth of tokens, we expect price to rally high, but
no impact.
Investors were not really moved about that. So that just tells you that the bearish sentiment is kind of very heavy right now. So I advise investors, this is not the time to get too risky losses. And for those that have diamond hands, the market would at one point
Diamond
recover.
hands. Okay.
Yes, it's very unlikely for it to. Yeah.
All right. All right, Olumide. Thank you so much. Always great to have you.
Thank you, man.
So, Chimi, I hope you have diamond hands there, but yeah.
Well, I hope so. I hope so. But I was just wondering if we should just call on Elon Musk to just perhaps make a positive comment to at least bring some kind of activity.
Well,
in that
he did make a positive comment about Doge over the weekend,
but that didn't
we
move
see
the
that
market
didn't really
much.
hold water, yeah. So right now, it's nobody has that much influence.
Well, just like Olumide said, I think a lot of investors are channeling their attention to safe haven
assets
for
yes,
now,
exactly.
since we're seeing global inflation, rising.